Hey, thanks for watching another video here as we look to explore the applications of AI in the local government context. I recently heard about this new AI tool, well, new to me at least, called Perplexity AI. It's very similar to a ChatGPT type of thing, but I think it has some features that are just really, really helpful in terms of being able to source information, right? That's a lot of things we talk about. We have concerns about ChatGPT or tools like that is okay, how can I make sure that the information is reliable? What do I need to do? How can I do that to make sure it's sourced the right way? Double check, fact checking. Well, Perplexity is a great tool that helps us be able to do that. Let's go ahead and take a look at how we can use Perplexity and maybe some things we can learn along the way for local government context as well. So in this situation with Perplexity right here, we sign up for an account. It's a free account to sign up for. There's a couple things here that I think are important to show you. Number one is we can go to Discover here, kind of gives us some tips and tricks for what Perplexity is. Library is just your previous chats you have. And the AI profile, very similar to ChatGPT, has this kind of thing too, where you can set who you are, and then it'll respond in that context all the time. It's kind of helpful things there. Go back here to home. That's great here. Now here's the tool that's really helpful. It's called Focus. So when we put the prompt in, it's going to search all these different things here, right? It's going to search the academic world if you want to have a research paper. Writing is going to generate text or a chat without searching the web. Maybe you're searching Reddit for discussions and opinions, searching YouTube for videos, or Wolfram Alpha for computational knowledge. For this one, I'm going to search across the entire internet and go with that. And let's just say, give me a step-by-step guide to creating a city procurement policy. And we'll hit enter here and let's see what happens. Now, okay, then let's ask me a question. What kind of city procurement policies are you looking for? And really, I'm looking for all of these. So I'm going to click all these. Continue. You could also click skip if you want to. It's going to come up with some professional resources here. Here's a bunch of sources here that I can look at. And it's going to give me a step-by-step guide, right? Establish the procurement objectives, develop a procurement procedure, define procurement thresholds, create solicitation evaluation process, implement contract administration, so on. We can keep going down here, maintain record keeping reporting systems, ethical conduct and compliance, review and update procurement. So not bad. And what I like again is I can click on this and I can go directly to, here we go, a procurement document from the comptroller in New York State. Now let's go like this. Let's say this is for a city in Colorado. And let's see if it updates anything and gives me some more relevant information for this. City population size, let's say the population size is 50,000. So here's some sources you can look at. Again, some Durango, Colorado, Boulder, Colorado, Denver, Eagle, procurement resources from colorado.gov. Again, it gave me kind of the same basic step-by-step guide, but now it's tailored specifically to the state of Colorado. Pretty cool tool, I think, in terms of being able to quickly research information and get relevant data that's specific to your world and its source, which is what I really, really like, is the sourcing of it. Obviously, you want to go double check and see what it says. You know, if I'm comparing this to, say, ChatGPT or Claude, which are probably my two favorite ones for content generation or just researching and using it to help me think things through and to really consider the implications of a decision and have that third party unbiased review of something. It does fairly well. I think more iteration would help probably refine that better. And it's probably more on me to learn how to really use this tool better. But overall, I'm very, very pleased with this tool. I think it has a lot of applications to local government. The sourcing information, I think, is really, really helpful, especially within local government. Being accurate and be able to kind of define where you're sourcing things from is really, really helpful. So overall, great tool. Hope you enjoyed Learning more about Perplexity, go ahead and sign up for it if you want to, and let me know what you think and how you might use this within your local government context as well.